So this is a newsworthy event. The credit score model is changing, and it's going to make a lot of credit scores go down. So how that's going to work is essentially, right now it uses a snapshot in time of your credit profile. So one of the common elements and tactics we use to improve credit scores is looking at the limit on a credit card and where the balance is. So when you're looking at this, basically what you want to do is, I always use the rule of 1/3, 1/2, 2/3. You want to have your balance low and your limit high. So one of the things that a lot of people do is, let's say you've got a $5,000 limit on your card and you've got $2,000 on it. So you're at 40%. If you contacted the credit card company and had them double your limit up to 10, now you're at a 20% limit to, or balance to limit ratio, and actually your credit score is going to go up. So the biggest change, a couple of things that are going to happen, and it'll make a pretty significant decrease in most people's credit scores, is they're going to use a 24-month trending history of what your balances are. So the trick of, hey, dump a bunch of money towards this credit card, we'll repull credit in a month and see an improvement in your score, is no longer going to take place. In addition to that, they're going to target personal loans. What's happened is, I guess, there's been a lot of personal loans that have hit the market recently, and they're, debt consolidation loans, unsecured loans. They're going to take a little bit bigger hit. Now, what's funny is the credit scores have changed pretty dramatically. The average score actually is over 700 right now. It's about 706. And it's always been in that high 600 range. It got as low as an average of about 680 something back in 2009. And it's been on the rise ever since. So I'll be curious to see what the average credit score comes back at now that they've put this change into place, and it's going to be implemented this summer.